Okay, so it's about noontime, and I just wanted to show you guys like a little random clip of how my Christmas tree and decorations look during the day right now. This will probably be a part of like a random video, but yeah, that's where that stuff is. Yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it looked pretty cool. Alright, that's it. Bye. Okay, so this is going to be some random footage right here. But I wanted to use my little Instax. Is that how you say it? Oh, Instax. My Mini 9. It's not in here. I actually put it in the case and everything. Excuse my hands. You know, they're a little ashy right now. But, like, look at that. It's so cute. And then the top comes off. You see that? It's like a magnet. That's really cool. It's like a little magnet case. You see that? And then you just fold it, boom. It's ready to go. See, I think that's so cool. So, yeah. Yeah, I want to use this and take a picture of my Christmas tree and see how they come out. But I wanted to like film myself doing that, so that's why it's like a random kind of video, but it's still Christmassy, so it'll be a part of Vlogmas. Okay, so I had to take it back out of the case because I forgot I didn't put the batteries in here yet. So yeah, I don't know. I'm like, I gotta read the instructions. So I gotta get my instructions out because I don't even know how to work this yet. So let's see. I'm gonna read these and then I'll come back once it's ready. So funny to me is how, you see how small of a screw driver you have to get for this, if it'll focus.
Yeah, you have these ones.
Oh my gosh, it won't focus. But yeah, anyways, it's a really small one, and it's a good thing I have this little pack because I have like the perfect small size, you know, for it. But yeah, I was just saying, I got this from Dayso, and it comes in handy too. You know, sometimes you just get stuff and you don't think you'll ever use it. But yeah, it comes in handy. Okay, I found the right size one. Now it's time to unscrew. Yeah, baby, unscrew.
Unscrew, Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Hold on. Let me see. It's so
Mama.
tiny.
It's tiny?
Yeah, it's such a tiny little screw in there. Let's put these batteries in.
We'll put the drink in there so we
One goes
can
that way.
add the juice.
Right, that one goes this way. Yeah.
Juice.
There we go. So let's put that cap back on. And then we gotta screw it. See? Screw it back in.
Mama.
See? This is a little magnet. You see? So it held onto the screw for me, which is easier for me. Uh-oh. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna come back. Hold on. Okay. I got it. You see? Okay. You get the point.
Mama,
Alright.
that?
Okay. Just screw it in already.
What's that?
Oh, there we go.
Mama, what's that?
There we go. Oh.
Mama, what's that?
There we go. And then next we're going to take one of these little things. Oh, just rip that open. Okay. So this goes into the little, you know, the backpack. The little backpack area. So, yeah, I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so I'm opening this one and taking it out. I want to take it out slowly because, okay, so like that, it goes that way. And then it's saying we just put it off in there, I guess. So you have to line up the yellow with the yellow. Okay, and then we're just going to press that off in there. Close it. Oh my gosh, my nails look, ugh. But yeah, okay, I'm going to turn it on and let's see how this goes. Okay. We're ready. Yeah, so I have to turn it on, first of all. Oh, hello. Okay.
Hello.
And so I have to push this button. And then for the back, it says that this S has to turn to 10. So let's see. I'm going to push the button. Oh. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay. And then it says the black part. There we go. coming out. So that was supposed to, that's the little cover. Oh. Do not press here. You see, they have warning labels. They have warnings everywhere, you guys. Okay, so I took that little black piece. I took that out. Okay.
Oh my god.
And then now I'm going to try to actually take a picture. So let's see how this goes. Okay, you know what, you guys? Like, this has some pretty cool features. Like, you can, like, move this around and it gives you, like, the brightness. You see that? Oh. This side. Okay, there we go. Gives you, like, the brightness. You can choose between those settings. Let's see. Oh, yeah, see? This little line. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this thing is cute. I like it. Okay, I'm going to take a picture for real. Okay, so first, safety. So, put your arm in there. And then we're going to hold it. So, we got to, you know, cradle it like we care about our stuff. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. But for real, I don't know. I just saw that there because I forgot I attached that. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love when it comes with like little accessories that match, you know? Okay, so I'm for real gonna take a picture this time. This time for sure. Okay, I'm about to take a picture right now. Okay, let's see. Oh. Let's see how it comes up. Isn't that so cool? Let's see how it comes out. Because this is actually supposed to change color as well. So it's a color changing one. So let's wait. You guys, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you see how small it is? That's way smaller than like what I thought. Like, that's super small. Hold on. Okay, it's starting to come in, you guys.
I was here.
Oh wait, do we shake them around? No, we just set them to the side, I think. I'm gonna just set it to the side. Okay, you guys, so something else I found out. You have to push the lens. That's to turn it off. Isn't that cool? So now it's off now. I just thought I'd share that. Okay, you guys, so it's starting to come out a little bit. I had it on the cloudy option, so maybe that's why it looks dark like that. But yeah, so that's how it ended up coming out. Okay, you guys, I did a second one, and it seems like the color came out a little better on this one compared to the other one that's like sitting right here. You see? It's really dark. So yeah. See, already you can tell the difference. So this is the first trial. You know, this is the second. So it's getting a little better. It's super cute though. I mean, we'll see the quality of the images once they're fully ready. But yeah, it's coming in. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours since I last looked at these. But yeah, this is how they came out. I won't say the quality is the best, but I am just using it. So these are the first two. So I'll update you guys because I'm going to be using it for something tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. I'll update you guys though. They're really cute. I like it. Okay, you guys. So tonight I used my little, what is it called? Instax or whatever. The little Fujifilm. Yeah, this is what, like, I don't know. The quality is not that good. I don't know if it's because of this kind of paper or these kind of film little things, because these are like the color changing little papers. I don't know. But then I took this one and nothing even came out at all. So that was like a waste of one of them. So, yeah. I'm going to keep trying at it though, and keep figuring out how to work everything on that Fujifilm little Instax thing. Instax. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, but that's the quality from tonight. So, not very good. No. Okay, so I thought it would be really funny to like update you guys every time my daughter moves the little reindeer around. Because I told her she can't take it off of the refrigerator, but she can play with it, but she can't take it off. So I think I'm going to insert a little clip, you know, every couple of videos. Or every video. Or every time she changes it. So yeah, I just was giving you guys a heads up.